Now that our theme is all set and ready to go, let's start building our store. As you can see on the front end, I added a logo and changed a few of the styling options. The first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and set our home page. As you can see right here, our home page is set, but we want to change that. Think of your pages as bedrooms in a house. In other words, I want to think of your base foundation of your store. As you walk around your house, you enter through the foyer, then move on to the dining room, living room, kitchen, and so forth. Let's think of our landing page as our foyer. First, let's go ahead and set that landing page. To add a new page, we want to highlight Pages, and then let's go ahead and click Add New. Let's go ahead and label this as Home. Now you'll see a little box right here that says Fusion Page Builder. This is a powerful page builder option that you can use for any of your pages. I don't want to overwhelm you with all of these different icons that it pulls up, but I do briefly want to explain each one. As you can see right here, we have column options, builder elements, custom templates, and pre-built templates. For column options, we have many different options to divide our page up. So full width container is actually what we're going to want to use. This full width container is going to contain all of the content within this box. Now we can divide this up into columns. Let's say we wanted to divide this into 2 columns for the home page. We can enter in our content right here and right here. Builder elements is all of the different elements you can add to your store. Let me briefly tell you about each one really quickly. Alerts will let you set pop-ups or alerts or notifications in your store. Blog is a blog shortcode that will allow you to display different types of categories of your blogs or all of your blogs. You can add buttons by clicking this icon right here. Checklist is just an organization of a list of items. Client slider, code block, content boxes, counter box, counter circle, flip boxes, Font Awesome, Fusion slider, which is actually a slider, Google Maps, image carousel, image frame, which you can display different images on your front end, layer slider, lightbox, which is that lightbox pop-up, menu anchor if you choose to only use a one-page theme option, so which means that everything actually stays on the same page without clicking into different windows, person, post slider, pricing table, a progress bar, recent posts, which would actually be a similar integration with your blog, recent works, which would be in correlation with your portfolio, revolution slider, another slider option we have, section separator, separator, which the difference between the section separators is you can separate different columns within the full width container, sharing box, slider, social links, SoundCloud table, and so on and so forth. Also, another important feature I want to point out right now is your template. Now, many themes have default templates that they include. As we see here, we have an option for 100% width, blank page, contact, FAQs, and all of the different portfolio styles we can organize. For right now, we're going to go with 100% width. The default template would be the default styles that we configured in the theme options in the last video. For right now, we're just going to make this a blank page, and then we're going to go ahead and publish this. Not to get off track too much, but we do want to keep our permalinks organized, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well as set this as your home page. First, let's go ahead and set this as our home page. To do this, highlight Settings and then click Reading. As you can see right here, we have front page displays. By default, this displayed our latest posts. So let's say if we had a blog and we wrote many different articles, this would display chronologically our articles on the front page. We want to make this a static page. And then we're going to go ahead and select Home. Let's go ahead and save these changes. Now the last thing I wanted to change really quickly is our permalinks. This helps the organization of your link structure of your entire website. For this, we're going to use post name. The reason why this is highly recommended is because the Google search results will pick this post name up and index it into the search criteria. Let's go ahead and save these changes. Now that we've added our landing page, let's go ahead and refresh our browser to see our blank landing page. As you can see, nothing's displayed right now, but we have our new landing page configured. After we added our landing page, let's go ahead and add the basic pages that are found on most websites. Let's go ahead and add a new page, and we're going to name this page About Us. We'll go ahead and we'll publish this. We'll go ahead and we'll add a new page called Contact Us. Now your About Us page can also have nested pages underneath it. Let's say that you wanted to add your shipping policy pages, return policy, or any other information that will inform your customers about your products and services. Now for our Contact Us page, this theme already has a pre-made template for the Contact Us. Remember that information I showed you in the last video where you can enter in your address, email? Well, this will correlate directly with the Contact Us page. Let's go ahead and click Publish on that. Now if we check our front end again, we will notice that none of these pages are yet displayed on our menu bar. I'm going to show you how to do that coming up next. For more e-commerce resources, including guides, tutorials, and walkthroughs, visit actionecommerce.com. That's actionecommerce.com.